I built this exhaust here. I bought a TIG welder just to build it. Just weld those mounts on there, pretty easy. Couldn't find any exhaust for these things, so I built a 3-inch. And I plumbed that's the crank crease breather comes down. Show you that under the hood there. I just bought the 3-inch flange and a gasket and was able to just weld the kit up. Looked super good before it got all rusty. Better show under the exhaust flange there.
For what it was going to cost me just to order the DPF Delete pipe, I got a full exhaust kit off Amazon. I got the welder and all set up for that. The ECM programmed.
So we got EGR, flapper valve, DPF Delete, and then Alvin hose mod. So here's what I did for the crankcase breather. There's the unit there, and I just run a hose up here. I believe it's 1-inch hose. I put this sensor back in there and then made a nice elbow here, soldered up, and then bought a 90 and then run it down here to catch some oil and then down to the exhaust. And this thing, it barely pukes any oil in there now, so it's working really well. Then I have a plug, and that stops all the crappy oily stuff from going into your intake. Stuff you can buy at Home Depot. There's this gasket in here usually leaks down onto your connector for the flapper valve. That's your EGR right there. You can see I have it unplugged. So do those and your engine will last a lot longer. It was choking off real bad when I first got the tune done, and I didn't know this, but once the EGR delete's done, there's a flapper valve in here that will close up to like 2,000 RPM or something crazy. So you can remove this and unplug it, and then it'll just stay open. After doing all this, the drivability is actually worse than stock. The only real benefit is when you're in manual and slapping through the gears, and you can keep it at like 3,000 RPM, then it really hauls. But other than that, if you're just limping around and drive, it's not the best way to go. I have to say the highway fuel economy is a lot better, and I imagine the engine's going to last a lot longer having these fixes done.